being bad never looked so good. Welcome to MsMojo, and today we'll be counting down our picks for another top 10 sexiest male villains.
I just killed your brother.
For this list, we're taking a look at more big screen bad guys that are ugly on the inside, but positively gorgeous on the outside. If there's a baddie you think we missed, be sure to check our original list of the top 10 sexiest male villains. A spoiler alert is also now in effect.
Your schoolboy heroics are redundant. What have they achieved?
Number 10, Tom Ripley, the talented Mr. Ripley.
It's Tom Ripley.
You don't successfully fool people into thinking you're someone else without possessing some good looks and a handful of charisma. Matt Damon plays the titular character in this film, and boy, does he do some awful things. Tom Ripley is a nobody who dreams of being a somebody. He accomplishes this by the most deceitful means imaginable, all while sporting the finest clothes, sharpest haircuts, and warmest smiles.
Senor Greenleaf. Of course, welcome back.
This cinematic bad guy uses his clean-cut good looks to con his way into a life most people only dream of. The character of Tom Ripley will always be remembered for his boyish charm and handsome features, but also for being downright awful.
Marge, come,
Tell
Marge.
Mr. Greenleaf. I have to tell Mr.
You're being
Greenleaf.
hysterical.
He promised me, I swear, I will never take off this ring.
Shut up!
Number 9, Miguel Bain, Assassins. Never has a bloodthirsty assassin looked so damn sexy. The consistently handsome Antonio Banderas plays the antagonist in this 90s action thriller.
Did you kill my Mark? Are you there, sweetie?
Hell-bent on becoming the world's #1 hitman, Miguel Bain will stop at nothing to ensure he earns the title. This bad guy burst onto the screen, dripping in sex appeal. The character's thick Spanish accent, long dark hair, and imposing frame all come together to create one sexy villain.
Step outside, and I'll set you free.
Maybe it's the fact that Banderas often plays the hero that makes seeing him as the bad guy in this flick so irresistible.
Wanna say goodbye? Puppy.
Number 8, Draco Malfoy, Harry Potter franchise.
Well done, Draco. Well done.
Throughout the Harry Potter franchise, there have been a number of villains worthy of the sexy moniker, including the handsome teenage version of Voldemort, Tom Riddle. However, none are as dashing as Draco Malfoy. Played to perfection by Tom Felton, this character had an abundance of good looks to match his bratty behavior. While it was protagonist Harry audiences loved to cheer for, it was perpetual bad boy Draco that garnered the swoons. The image of those slick-back blonde locks and penetrating green eyes, especially in the Deathly Hallows, will always be synonymous with the wizarding world of Harry Potter.
You have something of mine. I'd like it back.
Number 7, Ajax, Francis Freeman, Deadpool.
Mr. Wilson, my name's Ajax. I manage this workshop.
Talk about bad to the bone. Ed Skrein plays Ajax in this comic book adaptation of Deadpool, and he's a villain whose cruelty is only matched by his sexiness.
Hey, is Ajax your actual name? Because it sounds suspiciously made up.
Sporting a shaved head and an extreme lack of empathy, Ajax terrorizes the titular character throughout the film.
What's my name?
Ooh, I'ma fucking spell it out for you.
Go get some.
However, as evil as he is, this bad guy is so damn handsome, it hurts. Quick to adapt to the adage of women want to be with him and men want to be him, Ajax has it all when it comes to the looks department.
I joke away. One thing that never survives this place is a sense of humor.
We'll see about that.
Number 6, Detective Alonzo Harris, Training Day.
Behind here. Go ahead, cowboy. You got mad squabbles, boy.
When it comes to being bad, few characters in the history of cinema can hold their own next to Denzel Washington's iconic crooked detective, Alonzo Harris.
Right. Okay. First time. You're not comfortable. I'll hold it for you.
The film follows Harris as he attempts to educate a rookie police officer in the ways of street justice.
If I was a dealer, you'd be dead by now.
Loaded with a plethora of confidence and charm to match, this baddie isn't afraid to use his good looks to get what he wants.
You're here to serve this warrant.
Come on, man, we can't do that.
Hell yeah, we can. We the police. We can do the we want to do.
He's more than just a pretty face, though. Washington would take home the Academy Award for Best Actor for this role. In short, Alonzo Harris will be remembered for his aggressive behavior, rugged good looks, and a dose of raw sexuality that simmers below the surface of the character throughout the film.
It's not what you know, it's what you can prove.
Number 5, David, the guest.
My name is David. Miss Peterson, I knew your son, Caleb.
In this action thriller, Dan Stevens plays the mysterious David, an ex-soldier who vows to care for the family of a deceased friend. It's quickly revealed that David's intentions are less than reputable. This antagonist uses his good looks and charisma to get others to lower their guard. David's piercing blue eyes, blonde hair, and chiseled physique are what truly make him a sexy villain.
I'm sorry.
While he may be a ruthless killer, it's hard to deny that he could give up his current lifestyle and become a male model if that's what David wanted. Too bad he appears to be a little preoccupied with ruining a family's life at the moment. Number 4, Monsieur Calvin J. Candie, Django Unchained. Known for playing the anti-hero many times in his illustrious career, Leonardo DiCaprio rarely goes full-on bad guy. However, he doesn't hold back in this film, unleashing a barrage of evil charm from start to finish.
And I'm curious, what makes you such a Mandingo expert?
I'm curious what makes you so curious.
The character of Calvin Candie is meant to be one of the cruelest in the Tarantino universe. So why does he have to be so damn attractive?
Hey! Don't lay your palms flat on that tabletop! If you lift those palms off that turtle shell tabletop, Mr. Pooch is gonna let loose with both barrels that sawed off.
With his incredible wardrobe of debonair outfits and his impeccably groomed facial hair, Candie is one villain that is certainly easy on the eyes. Ignoring the fact that he's a slave owner, it's the pure confidence that DiCaprio infuses into the character that makes him so hard to resist.
It's a custom here in the South. Once a business deal is concluded that the two parties shake hands. It implies good faith.
Number 3, Kylo Ren, Star Wars Episode 7, The Force Awakens.
Show me again the power of the darkness, and I will let nothing stand in our way.
Who knew a man in a mask could be so striking? Kylo Ren having his face hidden for the first half of the film only serves to enhance the effect of its unveiling during an intense interrogation scene later on. What is revealed is a flow of jet black hair and eyes so intense you don't want to disappoint them.
I'm so lonely. So afraid to leave.
Kylo Ren burst into the Star Wars universe with such intensity that he immediately caught the attention of audiences worldwide. A brooding performance by Adam Driver, coupled with the intrigue of the character's background, equaled a dark and mysterious baddie with looks to match. Ren's understated good looks only make him that much harder to root against. Anyone else want to join the dark side?
That lightsaber, it belongs to me. Come get it.
Number 2, Colin Evans, No Good Deed.
Honey, I'm home.
Tall, dark, and handsome, there's a reason Idris Elba keeps getting work in Hollywood. The big man is enormously talented, as seen in this thriller.
What do you want from me? Just want you to forgive me. Give me a chance.
Yet his inclusion on this list is due to the fact that he's also one of the most attractive villains ever to grace the silver screen. Playing Colin Evans, a recently escaped convict out to terrorize his ex-fiancée, Elba oozes sex appeal.
I must have thought I was your husband. At the door.
Yeah, he'll be home shortly.
Yeah, you said.
Who could forget the tense moment of raw sexual tension in which Colin taunts his victim while cooling off in the shower? As far as bad guys go, Elba's portrayal of a jilted ex is one of the hottest.
Terry meet Alexis. Alexis, Terry. Should have seen the look on her face.
Before we unveil our top pick, here are a few honorable mentions.
You owe me a life.
Gentlemen, welcome.
Adrian, we know everything.
Then what's there to discuss, Dan?
Number 1. Tyler Durden, Fight Club.
Can I be next?
All right, man. Loose the tie.
The attempt to destroy American capitalist society has never been so hot. When it comes to modern cinematic sex symbols, one cannot forget Brad Pitt's iconic performance as the deranged, eccentric, and downright sexy Tyler Durden.
Advertising has us chasing cars and clothes, working jobs we hate so we can buy shit we don't need.
Though he's also considered an anti-hero, he takes the spot for also being what the protagonist must overcome, as well as a terrorist.
Did you know there's a fight club up in Delaware City?
Yeah, I heard.
There's one in Penn's Grove, too. Bob even found one up in Newcastle.
Yeah, did you start that one?
No, I thought you did.
Nah.
The alter ego antagonist was always clad in unique outfits that reflected the anti-establishment mentality of the character.
You broke your promise. Jesus, Tyler. You fucking talked to her about me.
Tyler, what the fuck is going on here?
I ask you for one thing. One simple thing.
Yet it's the scenes in which Durden takes off his clothes that are burned into the minds of women and men alike. Looking like a man who spends too much time at the gym to be running an underground fight club, Pitt's character will always be remembered for his chiseled physique, devil-may-care attitude, and crookedly attractive smirk.
I will bring us through this. As always, I will carry you, kicking and screaming, and in the end, you will thank me.
Do you agree with our list? Who's your favorite sexy male villain?
It's simple. We kill the Batman.
For more entertaining top 10s published daily, be sure to subscribe to MsMojo.